guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a HotMiamiStyles haul. So it's not Halloween themed, even though we're in October. I just got some more sort of generic stuff ready for autumn. So technically this is an autumn try-on haul of some of their new stuff. So I've got a nice box here of bits and bobs. I really like it. They always put a sort of like a shopping bag on the surface, which is just a really nice touch, and I use these as my reusable bags, so they come in handy. So I got quite a bit of stuff, so I'm just going to go through it one by one and then try it all on for you. So the first thing I got is technically it could be used as a costume if you wanted it to. I'm just going to put the box down actually. I'll put it down here. So the first thing I got is this leopard print two-piece. So if you wanted to be a really cute cave girl, this outfit has you. So it's a pencil skirt, quite long, but quite a nice length. It has a little slit just down the bottom here, not too long, so sometimes I find slits on pencil skirts, they just basically continue to my butt crack, which it's not a great look when you're trying to look, you know, I like to look classy with a bit of sex appeal, but not that much sex appeal. So I like the length of this slit, and it's a really stretchy fabric and it's really soft. So I think that's going to be super cute. And then it came with sort of like a tie bandeau top. But again, just really easy to wear, and this will look really cute with jeans. Right, I'm going to pick another word so I don't say cute anymore. But I think this will look really nice with jeans, whether they're black or blue ones. Just can, you know, make a different look. You don't have to wear them together if you don't want to. But no, I love leopard print. I think it just goes with my hair. I feel like a lion. So that's the first outfit I got. This is what it looks like, and if I'm honest, the skirt feels a little bit big everywhere. So it's not a bad fit, but it's a very relaxed fitting pencil skirt, so you can see it sort of hangs off my bum and then is quite loose, which isn't a bad look, it's just not one I tend to wear. But the waist is also a little bit on the big side, so I think this one just runs a bit big. But the top is very cute, it's just a tie top, very soft, and I can re-wear this top whenever I want to. It'll go with literally everything, and it goes really well with my hair. Most animal print does. So I really like the top and I love the fabric, and it does work together, but I think together I look a bit like I belong in the Flintstones or cave woman-y, which is absolutely fine. Just not my style skirt, but let me know what you think. It might grow on me. I've just put it on and I'm not 100% like set on it, but it's definitely cute. So that's how this one fits. Sticking to the animal theme, I got another animal print two-piece. So this is sort of I was going to use as like pyjama-y or when I'm on holiday, so they're just these really crazy shorts, but they're a nice length. So normally with shorts that come in a two-piece, they're more like pants for me, but these are a great length short, so I'm excited to see what they look on, because I don't want them to be too baggy, but they look like they're going to be lovely, and they're nice and stretchy, which is perfect. And then they come with a really unusual top. So it's like a halter. So it comes up there and then that ties around your neck, and then it's like a bandeau all the way around. You'll see when I try it on in a second, but how cute is that? I just loved it. I fell in love with how it looked on the model and thought, I need to try that. So I'll go put that on now for you guys. So I love this one. It's really funky. The top is beautiful. Like, I think I'd wear this with all my jeans. It's just so cute. I love the neckline. I think it really goes with my hair, because it's sort of like a lion's mane and you've got all the different animal prints on this one. So really like that, and I wasn't sure on the shorts at first, just because they are like cycling shorts but with mad animal print on them. But looking at them, they fit really nice, they're really soft, and they're a good length. Like, they are the proper cycling short length, so I mean I could wear these comfortably as a two-piece and not worry too much, because the thing with mini skirts, like that would be this length, they just ride up with my curves, like they're a nightmare. So shorts do the trick really nicely. So I really like these, and I love the top. I just think they match me quite well. I feel like Tarzan's wife. I think it's just a really cute set. I have quite a few clothes that make me feel like I belong in the jungle, so it's definitely something I like. And the waist on them, it's not tight but it's not loose, so I like that. They're just really comfortable, they're quite loungy, the shorts. So if I was in a hot country, they'd be really nice to wear, or like travelling, that type of thing. I know it's a really extra travelling outfit, but why not? So no, I love this one, and they fit really nice. Like, they really hug the curves nice, the patterns don't. Sometimes patterns can make curves look funny, but if anything, these accentuate all the right areas. So no, I really dig this set. Let me know what you think, but I love this. Next item I got is so sassy. I love it. It's bandage dress material and it's red. I love my red. But it's kind of, I don't know how to explain it. It's softer than bandage dress material. Like, bandage dresses for me always feel like really stiff and they're quite heavy, but they look lovely on. This is like soft bandage dress, but it still has the really good elastic in it. So I think they've changed their technology and their fabric maybe. But it's got a really cute square neckline and then it's just a bodycon red dress. I thought this neckline might work for work. It looks very smart on the model, so we'll see what the boobies look like in that, whether it's too booby or not too bad, but I just fell in love with it and I thought I'd get it in red, but they also do it in black as well, so if this one turns out to fit me amazing, I might pick up the black one as well, but I'll go pop it on and we can take a look. But this is how it fits and it is so va-va-boom, like it is hugging every curve exactly how I'd want it to. It's beautiful and it doesn't have a slit at the back, so I don't have to worry about it being a bit too sexy. It's just a really nice figure hugging dress. Only thing I would say, the sleeve here is slightly, the seam must not have been finished off, so it has ripped a little bit. Easily fixed, but obviously when you're buying something new you expect it not to have a fault like that. But I've never had an issue with HotMiamiStyles, so I must have just got a bad one in the batch. It's not super booby, so you probably, if your office allows colourful work dresses, you could get away with this. I know it's really tight, but some workplaces are more relaxed than others. But, oh, it's beautiful, and it just hugs me perfectly. I love it, and it's a really nice bandage dress material. It's a lot softer and it's really stretchy. Like, I find some bandage dresses a bit too sturdy and they can actually flatten me and I feel a bit suffocated, but this is the perfect amount of stretch for a bandage dress. I feel really secured in it, but also not squashed anywhere, so I love it. So I just need to fix this cap sleeve here and then we're good to go, because I like the cap sleeves. I think that's a really sweet like design. I think it makes the chest look lovely. So love, love, love the dress. Just need to fix it up a little bit. Really does hug the curves nice, doesn't it? I feel amazing in it. No, I love this one with some nice red lipstick. 10 out of 10. It's a showstopper. Love, love, love. It's getting colder here in England. I thought this was just too cute not to get. It's a knitted two-piece, so these are the leggings and they've just got this like knitted design all the way down them, and they might look horrendous, they might look lovely, but I just really thought they were cute, and they come with a matching crop top. So this is the top here, so it's like off the shoulder and crop, and I thought this will look lovely with jeans, but then when I come home I can take the jeans off and also be in a really cute matching two-piece. So that's the idea, and it just, I love the colour of it and it's really soft. And yeah, let's see what it looks like on. This is how this one fits and I love it. It's just a really relaxed fit but still being really cute. So the top is sort of off, it can be off the shoulder or it can be slightly on the shoulder. It's a really nice length, and then the tracksuits or leggings, whatever you call them, they're nice and high-waisted, and then you can tie this, which just has like a string going around the waistband. So I like to tie it quite tight because I'd be worried with this type of fabric legging that the back of them might become quite droopy after a while, so I just want to keep the waist round the waist so this doesn't look a bit like a saggy bum or anything like that. So as long as they stay up, I think they'll be lovely, and they're a really nice length. They come just to my ankle and they're just really warm. It's going to be so nice when it's cold outside, but I still want to look quite cute. So no, I love this one, and I really love the fabric on it with the plaits. I literally don't think I've ever seen something so fluffy in my life. So this is another two-piece, and I'm going to use this sort of like pajama-y type things. So this is the top, and it's off the shoulder and sort of like a crop top long sleeve, but really cute sort of off the shoulder. So when it's snowing outside, I'm just going to look so adorable in this on the inside. But it also comes with shorts that look like this. I just love it. I love fluffy pyjamas, but I find fluffy trouser pyjamas way too hot and I normally overheat in them. So I actually really like the fact that this is fluffy but shorts and a crop top, because it won't be too hot, if that makes sense. So I definitely think this is going to be brilliant. So I'll pop it on and we can see what it looks like. Now, even though this set is adorable, like I really like the shorts, I think they work quite well. This top, it's like tight round my shoulders, so if I go to do anything, the whole thing's just going to come up, and so it's a very sitting pretty top. but it's quite hard to do anything without the top actually coming up. But that's, I guess, just what you pay for looking cute. But the shorts I could definitely see myself wearing. They're so soft. They're not a bad length for sort of pyjama shorts. I think they're quite cute. They're not too wedgy or anything like that, so they'll be comfortable to sleep in because they're not too tight. The waist is a nice sort of tightness, and you can tighten it if you wanted them to be really sucked in. But I really like the shorts. The top is really nice. I don't know if I can, let's try it. It does just look a bit funny if I put up the shoulders actually, doesn't it? Or is that kind of cute? I don't know. It looks like a pair of shorts turned into a top, if that makes sense, because of the toggle there. So I'm not sure on the top. Let me know what you think, but I really like the shorts. I think they're adorable, and they'll make me look really tanned when I'm not. Because white always does that. So, I mean, it's cute. It's just not quite, I'm not feeling it. But let me know what you think. It's so soft though. I do love it. It's definitely a contender, just not sure on the top. So let me know what you guys think of it. But I think I'll keep the shorts, but probably get rid of the top. So that's today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed. I loved all the stuff I got, as usual, from HotMiamiStyles. You can check out all the items down in the description box below. I'll also link my Patreon as well, where lots of rewards are coming out for Halloween. I just started doing rewards again on my Patreon, so the past few months I've sort of taken some time off when I was finishing university, but I'm back up doing it, so if you'd like to support me, that's a great way. And then you might have also seen I have a channel membership that's just come out. I don't know what word I just said, come out. So the $12.99 tier you get member only videos, and the $1.99 tier you get early access to all my videos. So that's good fun as well if you don't want to do Patreon, or if you want to do both, brilliant. They're different rewards, so you're not going to get double whammies. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I also have a second channel all about rocks and geology called MGems, so if that would interest you, that's in the description box below, and my Instagram. So thank you again for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I'll see you next time.